Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop if it's not working on your iPhone. Whether you're trying to send or receive a photo, video, or file, there are several quick fixes you can try. First, close the app you're using, such as Photos, and open the Settings app on your iPhone. For the best results, make sure you check these settings on both devices involved in the AirDrop transfer. Start by turning airplane mode on for a few seconds. Then turn airplane mode back off. This refreshes your wireless connections and can sometimes fix temporary AirDrop problems. Next, go to Settings, General, AirDrop. Under the receiving options, make sure AirDrop is not set to receiving off. For testing, select Everyone for 10 minutes. Again, make sure you do this on both devices. You can also enable bringing devices together if that option is available on your iPhone. This can make it easier to share with another nearby compatible iPhone. If you see an option to use cellular data with AirDrop, you can enable that as well. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Press and hold the connectivity section where you see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and airplane mode. Tap AirDrop. Make sure it is set to Everyone for 10 minutes, then try sending the file again. If AirDrop still isn't working, check for an iOS update. Open Settings. General, Software Update. If an update is available, install it. It's also a good idea to make sure the other device is running up-to-date software. If the problem continues, you can reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if asked. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and other network-related settings, so you may need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Once your iPhone restarts, test AirDrop again. Finally, if AirDrop still doesn't work, try a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears, then release the button. Once your iPhone turns back on, try AirDrop again. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.